Hi friends, in this video I will be showing you an unboxing of Philips Avent Sipper Cup. This one I bought for my baby daughter. I had actually bought two sippers like that, which I will show you soon. I was thinking like if one didn't look well, I might as well use the other one. This one being a known brand, the other brand that I bought was not a well-known brand. So let's see how this one looks like. So this is Philips Avent, a well-known brand. You would have seen in lots of baby stores about this one. So yeah, I see the first highlights that they have put in this packaging is it's a BPA free product and it holds up to 200 ml of water, juice or milk, anything. And they say it's like from 9+ months you can give this to the babies and allows healthy oral development. I don't know what that means. Like they're saying if the baby is like munch on this sipper, they are telling it will be good for the teeth growth of the baby, I believe. And they have written like symbols like leak proof, I believe. And yeah, let's see how this looks. So when you say a comparison, I had put an earlier video around another product like this one. You Grow was the product name, Sipper Cup. It had a lot of cool things like bear cap and stuff like that. This one is priced as 426 rupees, and this one is kind of solid with regard to the touch feeling, and everything kind of looks little more the finish and the look and feel looks little more better than that. But I believe both of them serve the same purpose. Yeah, so let me see if I take this out completely. There is a cap, I'll throw that away. Okay, so yeah, we will have to attach this to this one and this one. This is like to pretty much close it, and we can close this like this, open this. Okay, there is kind of a pattern over this so that the grip of the baby might be better, I believe. Yeah, so engineering these products, they would have spent a lot of time to engineer this design itself. Yeah, taking into consideration a whole lot of things. The color is pleasant. I hope my daughter would love this. Yeah, thanks friends. So that's about it, the first impression of Philips Avent Sipper.